How are you, Carties? Now I'm back for a new video, a tutorial video, how to make a DIY project. It's about landform. Now we're going to make a mountain made of cardboard. Magpo-form tayo ng figure of a mountain using this cardboard. This corrugated board na mabibili mo sa palengke, supermarket, na nasa murang halaga lamang ng 5 piso, 10 piso at 15 pesos. Kaysa bumili ka sa mga balikbayan boxes sa bookstore, this is much better to use. Lalo na kung ang requirements ng project ay recycled materials. Sa paggawa ng mountain, kailangan merong iba't ibang shapes. May mataas, may malaki, may maliit. At gagamitan din natin to ng glue stick para mas madali itong dumikit. Idikit lang ito ng maayos para hindi siya matatanggal na once na ating itong pipintura. Sa pagpipintura, gagamit tayo ng acrylic color kasi mas vibrant ang colors ng acrylic color. Hindi na ako gumamit ng white base para sa ating mountain dahil light brown naman ang ating corrugated board. Burnt sienna po pala ang ating ginamit na acrylic colors. And this time, gagamit po tayo ng watercolor. Gumamit tayo ng dark brown color para ma-achieve natin ang color ng ating mountain. Siyempre, gagamit din tayo ng black para magkaroon ng konting depth ang ating mountain at hindi siya magbukang flat. And on another next video, another kinds of landform and water form naman ang ating gagawa ng tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below kung meron po kayong questions or added ideas na may share para sa ating project. You can also visit my FB page, Kids at Work, Arts and Crafting Workshop. May some tutorials din kami doon and events and activities na ginagawa namin about different kinds of arts and crafting. I hope you learn and enjoy watching our tutorial today. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.